Hey there, let's compare the process for multiple document page assembly between Nuance Power PDF and Adobe Acrobat DC. Starting off in Adobe Acrobat, we'll go up to the Organize Pages tab. Then to add a new document, we'll click Insert, and then From File. And then we'll select another PDF document that we want to add in with this one, and open it up. We can select where we want it to be placed, and then after it's been placed, we can click to drag it wherever we'd like to put it. Now we'll just close this out and save the document to finalize our changes. Now let's look at this in Nuance Power PDF. Here we are in Power PDF, and we're going to go up to Document Assembly. And then to add in another document, we're going to click on Page Assembly, and then open up the document that we want to add pages from. Then once we do, it'll show up in the Page Assembly window, and we'll simply click and drag the pages we want into our document. Now we can click and drag to reorganize exactly where we want it, and we'll just click Document Assembly, and then we'll save the document to finalize our changes.